If you are using Google Stitch and you want to pull your data or tools directly into Antigravity, you can connect it as an MCP server. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link Stitch to Antigravity and get everything working together. So firstly, we are going to open Antigravity and we want to install this MCP server by opening this agent. So if you don't see the agent right away, simply click on toggle agent over here, then those three dots, additional options and MCP servers. Here in the MCP store, we want to search for Stitch and it's over here. So this is the Stitch MCP server. And if you click on it, you want to click on install. And here we want to paste our Stitch API key, which we can find if you go to Google Stitch and you want to make sure you are logged in with your account in order to get your API key. And if you click on your account, you want to go to Stitch settings. And here you should find your API key. So if you don't have key like me, you can simply click on create key and it's going to create a new key which you can use for this anti-gravity connection. So this is my key. I can simply copy it. Make sure to not share this publicly, this key. This is secret information which should not be shared. And we can paste it right in the anti-gravity like this. I'm not going to save. And if you click on tools, for example, over here under configure, you can see all of the tools which you can use. So for example, we can create designs, we can generate variants, edit screens, you can create new projects in the Stitch and etc. So you can read through them, you can enable the specific ones. If you want to disable some, you can do that as well. Now we can go back to our agent and we can test something. For example, I created this simple HTML website in Antigravity and I can show you how it looks. So this is it. This is simple to-do list. And let's say you don't like the design. So what we can do, we can use a Stitch MCP server to redesign this. All right. So if this is ugly, you can tell Antigravity that you want to use MCP server from Stitch and you want to redesign and make some nicer design with this. So I can type something like really simple, use Stitch MCP server to design better visual interface for this app. So this one, and we can send this. And after Antigravity is finished, we can see some walkthrough. So to-do list application has been completely redesigned with a premium task void interface using the Stitch MCP server. We can also check the Stitch if there is some new design. So it also created new project in Stitch, this to do. And we can see the designs over here. So this is the task list. This is the dashboard, completed archive, and some task details. So it looks really good. So you can also export those files from here. If you click on export, you can select them like this and you can export them to Figma, zip file, MCP, etc. So we can check. It should also automatically refresh the task list. So you can see this is running locally and I can see it looks pretty good, but the tasks are working, but this text is not perfectly aligned with this interface. So as you can see, but you can simply change this. I'm gonna try if we can actually add the tasks. So hi, I can add the task and it's over here. As I refresh the page, you can see the capture new objective was fixed. So the first issue was done and also the black text is also fixed. So we have a white text. So I can add new tasks like, I don't know, clean dishes. I can send it and it's still working. But also, of course, there's plenty of examples how you can use this. You can use this for building a full mobile app and stuff like that. So it's all. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.